we have to find reverse a string according to number of words. Given a string as containing a number of words, if the count of words in the string s is even, then reverse is even position words. As reverse is odd position words. Push the words at the starting of the new string and append the remaining words as it in order. For this purpose, I first uh, I first uh, I first looped, I inputted the string and splitted the string in uh, splitted the string uh, in with a space. So the array contains all the words, different words that are separated by space. I initialize a new array with empty array, and then for if I've calculated the length is even or odd, array dot length is mod 2 is equal to 0. This will check if the length is even, and depending upon if it's even or odd, it will execute some code. For if the number of words is even, then I have iterated through all the elements of the array, and for each iteration of the loop, I have created an element reversed. And if I plus 1, because the index starts from 0, while the serial number of an element uh, might be even, but the index, since it starts from 0, will be odd. So I have calculated if I plus 1 is mod 2 equal to 0, that is it is even, and I have reversed the word and initialize the reversed word in the element reversed. For example, array I, this will split the word with an empty string. So each letter of the word will contain come inside the mm, come inside the final outcome of array I dot split. And then I've reversed the array, and then finally after reversing the array, I have joined after reversing the array I have uh, after reversing the array I have joined joined the joined the outcome, uh, so that what we get is a reversed word. And then I've reassigned the value of s with the s dot replace array I dot, so that the word we reversed is replaced with an empty string. And then in the next step, what I've done in the next step, I've pushed the reversed element in the array, which is the empty array, and so that I can later push this empty this reversed this array of reversed elements, uh, uh, append this join this array with a space, and then append it in the final outcome, that is string. So in the at the last I have reversed I've pushed it because it will add the reversed word at the end of the array. So I have reversed that array, and then I've joined it, and then with with the s, and where s is replaced s replaced s dot replace array element with replacing every element which is reversed with an empty string. So and for similarly for I've done for array dot length, which array dot length, if it is an odd number. So I have created an element reversed with an empty string, and then I've calculated if the index is odd or not. So if the index is odd, then I have reversed the element, and reverse why for reversing it I've split the and word, so that every in the final outcome mm, we get an array, array I dot split will give us an array with with each letter of the word as an array. Then the dot reverse will reverse the mm, uh, array, and then dot join will join the word with an empty string, and then I've replaced s with s dot replace replacing I've replaced every reversed word. The replaced reversed word, that is the array, we are reversing the word at array I, index I. So replace the array and element at element of the array at index I with an empty string, and then finally I've mm, push that uh, mm, push that reverse the element in the array 2, and then finally I have uh, assigned s to this value. This value is array 2 dot reverse that, so that the reverse words are reversed elements are the array which contains array 2 is the array which contains all the reversed elements, reverse words. So this will reverse the order of the words which are reversed, and then I've joined it so that we get a string, and then I've concatenated that string with an empty space and plus the initial value of s. Then reassigned the value of s with s dot replace this is regex, so that it deletes all the extra spaces in the string. So finally we will get an output where we the outcome will be, if I run this, run all, I'm running all the test cases, and as we will run all the test cases, we can see all the test cases have been passed. If I run all and then click run all the test cases will be passed. So because the output is desired, as we can see, this is the input and this is the output and this is the expected output. So the expected output as is the output is as expected. So thank you.